So I'm up exploring around what used to be an old farm. As you can see, a timber company has bought it out and they planted the field with softwood trees. But I've been finding little bits and pieces of the past that can tell you it was a farm. Which is pretty cool. Pieces of old equipment. It's an old sickle saw. You can tell it was old because all the wood rotted away, so that's early. And that's why it just looks like a bunch of pieces sitting there, but it was complete at one time. Some tin in there. Not sure what the holes were about. It almost reminds me of a boiler door or something. If we move up here, we've got some more. So you can see an old barbed wire fence here. But they planted the whole thing. These actually look like sleigh rails. Would have been on like a horse-drawn sleigh or something. Or it could have been logging rails too. That's what they are though. That's pretty cool. We move up here a bit. There was some more. If I can find it again. It's a beautiful little spot though. It's really nice out this morning. I'll turn the camera back on when I find it again, guys. Alright, I spotted it again. It's right up here. Not sure what that would have been. You see the pieces down here. Some kind of a hopper or something. That's kind of cool. Well, we'll walk up some more and see if we can find anything else, guys. Alright, guys, I just found another sleigh rail. Something here. That's an old flathead. Sweet. Well, look up there. I think that's a car. We're going to make our way over there and check it out. Got to get through these branches. Holy cow, man. It's been a while. Just made my day. It is a car too. Oh, there's another one. Oh, a wooden wagon wheel. Man, look at that. Holy. I just hit the jackpot. Holy cow! I almost turned back too. Look at all the stuff up there. We gotta go check that side of this out. See if I can get a shot back here. Fargo. Whew, gotta catch my breath. Been doing a lot of hiking. Look at this whole thing. Wow. Can't believe that I almost turned back. There's a fence here. So that might mean there's more up here. See some pails and stuff. An old pipe down there. Wow. There must have been a house up here at one time. There's a bell housing. Oil cans. Seats. Wow. Maybe we should go up a little bit more. I'll shut the camera off for now. I'll get back to you guys in a bit. I see something down below me. Let's go check it out. Not quite sure what it might be. You see it down there. What is that? Oh, some kind of an old wood stove. Imagine. I guess today's my day, boys. Oh. Still gonna have to find my way out of here. There's some more oil cans. Pioneer. Crushed. I'm probably the first person to see those cars up there in 50 years. Just amazing. Some more up there. Find a way to get around here. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna take some pictures and head it out. So until next time, thanks for watching.